Hey, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to store onions. That's right, it's been about 4 weeks since I last put these onions in here, and they are fully cured. And so now I gotta go through and prepare these for storage, because I'm trying to store these for a long time. Now, if you want to know how to grow big onions like this, if you can grow it in your area, I'm gonna start in a couple weeks laying seeds down, and I'll bring you along for that too. So just stick with me. So let's go ahead and get these onions ready for storage. All right, so let's go. Oh, I just got us into the shade so we can go ahead and handle this. I don't want to make a mess inside the house. All right, so next year I'm thinking about stringing these up or maybe even braiding them. But for now, all I'm gonna do is, this is all dried out, the roots. I'm gonna trim these roots off like that, buzz it down. And then since this is nice and papery, what we want, all you're gonna do is come and clip the excess off. And I'm gonna put these in bags. I'm gonna show you one more time. So I don't want the roots. You see how nice and dry they are? I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that. And I'm gonna clip these down, because all this should be fairly dried out, which you can see is papery. Then I'm gonna put those to the side. Now, these are the ones that actually went to seed, and these stems are fairly hard, and I heard that these normally go first. So, but they're looking pretty good right now. All I'm gonna do is just buzz that off as well and clip these down. And I may put these in a separate bag just to know that these are the ones that went to seed. All right, so that's what I'll do. So once I get ready to store these up in my bag, then I'll bring you back along. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep cutting and separating these. But I'll get back with you and show you where we're gonna store them at and how we're gonna store them. All right, till then. Hey, I'm all done. I just got finished trimming the roots off and buzzing the top. So now it's time to put these in my bags for storage. Now the bags that I use, this is actually a fruit hammock. Now I used to use these to put up my watermelons on my trellis. So all I'm gonna do is take my onions, slide them down in here. And the reason why they're so good to use is because they're a mesh, and it's gonna help with the airflow. And that's gonna help keep my onions in good condition. But I will tell you that when you store these up, you may want to come and check on them periodically, so that if you see one that's starting to go bad, you want to remove it so it doesn't cause the other ones to start to go bad as well. And you can put how many you want to put in here. And I normally like to try to put the ones that are about the same size in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one as one, and then I'll come back and get my medium size or smaller size onions, and then I'll put them in their bag as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you where exactly I will store them. But I will tell you that if you are thinking about trying to grow onions over the winter time, I know I'm in zone 8A. So I know 8A and on up, they can do this over the winter time, and that's how I got some of these big onions. Now I've heard that zone 7 can also do it, maybe zone 6, but they're gonna have to put a cover over the actual onions during the winter time. So think about giving it a try. And like I said, in a couple weeks, I'm going to be starting my seeds for inside, so that I can get ready to start planting in October, and definitely some in November. But I'll get back at you in a couple of minutes. I need to put my onions up for storage. So if you have a cellar or if you have a basement, that will be a great place to put it, because it's going to be cool down there, and these are going to keep a long time. All right, I don't have a basement, don't have a cellar. So what I have is my pantry. Normally it's real dark in here when I shut the door, but I have these motion lights on. So when I open the door, the lights is on. So in the wintertime, it gets pretty cold downstairs, even when we cut the air conditioner on. So this will be my great place to put it. I've already put the nails up. So all I'm gonna do is just take the sacks, which I'm gonna put down below in the description for you, and I'm gonna hang them in there. And I got 2 more to get, and then once I get them, I'll go ahead and put them up. But let me let you see what it looks like. All right, so that's what it looks like right here. And I got the other one in my hand. Let me go ahead and hang that one. Now I just put some nails in the wall, and it's gonna smell real nice with the onions in here. So that's what I have. All right, so here's the last bag of onions that I got to put with the other ones. Like I said, the pantry works for me. Just make sure that you check to make sure that your onions are not going bad. And do me a favor, make sure you stick around in the next coming videos so we can start sowing our onion seeds and we can grow these over the winter time and get them nice and big like how we want. So I know it's going into the fall in the next couple of months, but we still can grow. So come with me and let's grow year round. All right, I'll see you next time and check out my next video. All right, later.